Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share tips for daily stock selection for intraday using Bollinger Band. Welcome to MoneyGuide. Again, this is a disclaimer. Video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research before taking any trades. We are not responsible for any loss or gains. First open the check trading view chart. After that go for the indicators. There add Bollinger Band. Then go to the settings. Now visibility should not be changed anything. Style should not be changed anything. If you want the colors, you can change that colors. Inputs, you have to keep line 20 BSA MA type SMA. Now indicator is added and it is a 15-minute time frame. One is we have to take entry after 9:30 but before 12 o'clock. A bullish green candle is formed and closed inside the lower band. And it is after 9:30 and before 12 o'clock. Then we plan a entry, then check whether there is a strength in the trade, means from lower band to upper band how much points are there we have to calculate, and then we have to draw a lines for entry, stop loss and target. Stop loss should be entries before candles low, and for it target will be upper band. These three bands will be called lower band, middle band, upper band. Upper band will be the target and lower band will be the entry. It is for equity option call side. In the same manner we can go for the put side also. Let us check once. In yesterday's market we get an entry for PE side. For put side, upper band should be considered. Bearish candle should be formed. Then only we have to take entry. Candle should be closed inside the upper band. Target will be the lower band and stop loss will be the candle which we have taken entry before candle high. And then we have to check how many points are there from the entry to target. See, I'm drawing here. Stop loss should be entries before candles high and target should be lower band. Here we get an entry around 10:30. Risk reward ratio should be 1:3 or more. Otherwise don't take any entry either PE or CE side. Here risk reward ratio is 1:3. 40 points stop loss and target is 120 points, which means 1:3 ratio. Here are few conditions to be fulfilled before taking an entry. First, after 9:30 only we have to take an entry, but before 12 o'clock. After 12, please avoid the trade for intraday. If you want, you can take a trade for the BTST, but here the success rate is only 70%. Second one is 15-minute time frame should be there, so we can take exit by trailing. Trailing means every 5 to 8 points we have to trail and then exit in equity options. For direct buy and sell is for a stock intraday, in intraday means it requires a more capital, so better go to equity option. And third condition is do at least 100 trades back test, and then if you feel the comfortable with this strategy, then only take the real trades. It has almost 85% accuracy. Here are few candles that works effectively in this strategy. They are, first one is powerful candle or strength candle Marboji. If it gets at upper band, if we get powerful bearish candle, go for the put side trade. If we get powerful bullish candle at lower band, then go for the call side. Next candlestick pattern is, if we get morning star at a lower band, then go for the CE side. If we get evening star at upper band, then go for the PE side. Next candle pattern is twin brothers. It will totally change our trade. See, here we get an entry by giving a bearish candle, but same size other green candle has formed and totally trade was changed. So be cautious when this type of candlesticks form because our stop loss will be hits. Next, fourth candle pattern is pin bar. If we get upper band bearish candle, then we have to go for the PE side. In the lower band, if we get bullish pin bar, then we have to go for CE side. These four candlestick patterns will make our trades more effective. I will give this playlist link at the end screen. Please go and check it once. Do you have any doubts about this strategy? Please comment in below. Do you feel the information provided in this video is helpful? Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep learning, keep earning. Thank you.